In the previous video, while we were executing this command, we came into something very interesting, but I guess you all never noticed, or maybe you saw that it was something new and just went along with it. So now I'm here to tell you about the where clause. This right here, the where clause. So this word right here, where, like where are you going to, it's known as the where clause in SQL. The where clause is used in SQL to filter rows in a table. So it tells the database that only do this for the rows where this condition is true. So in our case, we're saying delete from employee where ID equals to 1. So it is telling the Postgres that, hey, I want you to only delete from this employees table if the ID is 1. So it's only does this for the rows where this condition after the where clause is true. This is very important because without the where clause, you can end up applying that operation to the whole table. And for something such as a delete operation, it is very sensitive and you can end up deleting everything on that table. So that is why the where clause is very important, because it helps you to apply a certain query to a row which meets that specific condition. So we did that for the delete, and now let's try to use it for the select as well. So let's try to, from the record, we want to see only the user with age 28. So to see the user with the age 28, we are going to say select star from employee where the age is equal to 28. And now we expect to see only one employee with the age of 28 currently in our database. So when you hit enter, you're now going to see that we have only one employee with the name Mary and age 28. So if we use the where clause again to filter out an employee with the age 34, then you will see that we only have one employee with the age 34, and that employee is Bob. So let's try now to see a situation where the where clause does not meet any condition in our database. So let's say we are trying to find the employee with the age 3, and then you see no row is returned because we have no employee with the age 3. So that is it about the where clause. So you need to remember that the where clause is used in SQL to filter rows in a table. So you only do this for rows where the condition is true. So it only does it for rows where the condition is true. In case the condition is not true, then nothing will be applied to any row. Like we saw here, we were trying to get an employee with the age 3, but we got no employee return because no employee has the age 3 in our database. But when we search for the employee with age 34 and 28, then we got those employees returned to us because we had them in our database. So that is it about the where clause.